We're combining the hearty goodness of the Pinoy classic Bulalo with the creamy perfection of Italian risotto. Presenting our Madalicious recipe of the day from San Miguel Foods Home Foodie, Bulalo Risotto Style. I'm Yan Arsanas and this is Madalicious in Every Meal, where we bring you madali plus delicious recipes that will warm your heart and satisfy your taste buds. Let's cook today's Madalicious recipe. First, the star of the show, our main ingredient, Pure Foods ready-to-eat beef bulalo. Be ready to screen grab our complete list of ingredients for this Madalicious bulalo risotto style recipe. Heat the pan with some oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and saute. And I have a cooking tip for you. Pag nagsosaute ng onions, you cook them until they become very transparent para ma-enhance ang flavor ng inyong dish. At habang nagluluto ng onions, nagre-release yan ng natural sugars that creates a sweeter pero more complex taste profile. Habang tinetemper niya yung sharpness ng flavor ng onion. I-add na natin ang ating shredded carrots, followed by 1 cup ng Japanese or dinorado rice. At igigisa natin lahat for about 2 minutes. Now, the star of the show, Pure Foods ready-to-eat beef bulalo. So make sure the meat is shredded or cubed. Now pour everything into your pan. Add stock from packs and 5 cups of water. Mix everything well and bring to a boil. So once it's boiling, hinaan natin ang apoy, takpan natin siya, at let it simmer for 15 minutes. Uncover the pan and let the risotto cook for another 7 minutes. At pwede mo yang haluin from time to time. This will help the mixture thicken and the rice to become tender. Add half cup of shredded Parmesan cheese and chopped green onions. Mix everything well and cover the pan again. And let it stand for another 3 minutes. And now, we're ready to serve. This dish makes 6 servings, perfect for sharing with the family. I hope you enjoy making this at home as much as I did. Thank you for joining me today on Madalicious in Every Meal.